Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip I want to introduce a package for having icons in hierarchy list for each objects and the Unity. Imagine we have a direction light, a canvas, image and 3D model. So for each object in the hierarchy we can have a specific icon for them so we can catch them easier or we can see them easier. Okay, let's take a look at this package over here, which called a Smart Hierarchy, which has been released almost 2 years ago, but it's all, as you can see, it's always updating. For example, the last update was almost 6 months ago. It has been released by Neon Age. I will share the link of this package in the description of this video. You just need to download the zip file of this package and import the whole files and folders to your projects folder. After that, you will see the impact directly. You don't need to do anything else. Look at this. This object, camera, has a component, so it is a script icon. So it is canvas. Look at this. It is raw image, so you can see the icon of raw image here. It is for raw image, but in the subscriber it says the animator. Look at this. It has animator, so it shows the animator icon for this one. For example, if we go to the photon scene demo scene here to see better, look at this. This is the main camera and it has audio listener, so it shows the audio listener. For for direction light, it shows the light icon here. Look at this. This is really awesome. It is for event system and shows the event input module as icon of this one. It is for text. This kind of for text as well. Yeah, it is really interesting package actually. I love that so much. Look at this. This is really cool. Icon of main camera, direction light, and here it is for sound player because we have audio source here. We have a sound player for a. I didn't change anything. It's applied to all of scenes in my project automatically, and it is really cool. For example, if I make a new scene here and look at this, it shows main camera and direction light here, and I show, for example, sphere. Look at this. It shows the sphere. And for example, if I do video player, this is the icon, and the UI, for example, drop down. Look at this. It shows the drop down, label, arrow, and template here, and the canvas itself. Okay, I hope you like this video and this plugin. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.